Ever pondered how your garden can contribute to environmental sustainability? Welcome back to Future Trends. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of eco-friendly gardening. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates on sustainable living. Imagine a garden that not only adds charm to your home, but also actively contributes to preserving our planet. By focusing on eco-friendly gardening practices, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint, create a haven for local wildlife, and make the most of our precious natural resources. Let's start our green journey by embracing native plants. These hardy species, perfectly adapted to the local climate and soil conditions, require less water, fertilizers, and pesticides. Plus, they play a crucial role in supporting local ecosystems, providing essential habitats for birds, bees, and butterflies. Healthy soil is the backbone of any garden. Put your kitchen scraps and garden waste to good use by composting. This creates nutrient-rich soil that reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Moreover, compost helps retain moisture, meaning you'll need less water to keep your garden thriving. Speaking of water, conservation is key. Collect rainwater in barrels and consider installing a drip irrigation system to water your plants efficiently. A layer of mulch around your plants will help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and further reduce your water consumption. Next, let's talk about biodiversity. By creating habitats for local wildlife, you can help maintain the natural balance of your garden. Think birdhouses, bat boxes, and insect hotels. Planting a diverse range of flowers and shrubs will provide food and shelter for various species. Say no to chemical pesticides and fertilizers. These can harm beneficial insects, pollute water sources, and disrupt local ecosystems. Instead, consider natural pest control methods. Introduce predator insects or use organic sprays to keep pests at bay. Finally, add a touch of creativity to your garden with upcycled projects. Reclaimed materials can be used for garden beds, planters, and decor. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and add some unique charm to your garden. Eco-friendly decor, like solar-powered lights and sustainably sourced furniture, can enhance your outdoor space without harming the environment. So there you have it. An eco-friendly garden involves a mix of native plants, healthy soil, water conservation, biodiversity, natural pest control, and upcycled elements. Not only will these practices contribute to a healthier environment, but they'll also make your garden a real talking point. Thanks for joining us on Green Living at Future Trends. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and drop a comment about your favorite sustainable gardening tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly living tips. Until next time, stay green and keep making a difference.